Hey, hi everyone. My name is Viraj and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Data Crafts. For today, we are going to solve a pretty simple yet medium level SQL problem, that is class performance. This one. The problem states that we need to calculate the difference in the total score between the highest score obtained by students and the lowest scores obtained by the students. For this problem, we have been provided with a table called scores, with a student ID being like a column that have all the unique values for the table. Now, how do you solve the problem? To solve the problem, the first thing what you need to do is sum the assignments of like you need to sum assignment 1, 2 and 3 for every student. Then the next step involves using the minimum and the maximum function. Now to calculate the highest score obtained by any particular student for the whole table or for the whole class, you are using the minimum function. And the next step is for calculating the lowest score obtained by any student, you are using the minimum function. After getting the highest score and the lowest score, you just subtract it, and subtract it. After subtracting it, you get the output, that is difference in scores. So this is the basic logic to solve the problem. Now let's write the code. The first step what I have told you is directly um, sum the assignments. Three max, using the max function and giving and naming it as high scores, highest score. Sorry. Then the next step is using the minimum function to find the lowest score from scores. Yeah. So in this way we are getting the highest score and the lowest score. Now what the question asks is we need to calculate the difference in the total score, that is highest score minus the lowest score. So just you need to remove the aliases and just add subtract and name the column as difference in score from scores, and it should run properly. Perfect. So for this problem, you don't need to use any group by clause or any common table expression or any join functions, because the question is pretty straightforward. You just need to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum. And the second case, you don't need to build any common table expressions to separately calculate the minimum and the maximum of both the minimum and the maximum of the scores. Like, you just don't need it. The logic is pretty simple. You are summing the assignments, finding out the maximum, minimum, and subtracting it. That's it. So I hope, yeah, submit. Yep. Oh, we have wait 92%. That's pretty good. So that's how you solve this problem. I hope you did understand the problem. Do solve yourself. Do solve it yourself. You'll get an idea how actually it works. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more coding tutorials. And see you in the next video. Till then, be safe, be happy, and enjoy yourself. Bye.